Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious and nutritious granola. Super easy. I make granola every couple of weeks. Look for the recipe at the end of this video. And here's my process. Quaker oats, large flakes, added cinnamon, sea salt, nuts, maple syrup, also some oil. I'm going to bake it at, let's just warming up right now, 350 for about 10 or 12 minutes. And then I'm going to add raisins, chopped up dates. I have to chop these still. I discovered that if I put them in right away, they end up getting burnt. Don't want that. So I put them in for the last 5 minutes or so. I've added my maple syrup. I'm going to just add some olive oil all the way down. And this helps bind the flakes together. Of course, olive oil is super good for you. Here we are. So getting it spread out evenly. It's very satisfying doing this. It doesn't take long. I don't even measure. I just kind of eyeball all my ingredients. I've been making this so long. This will make about, 4 cups. Okay, we're almost ready. Just going to even this out. And once the oven is ready, it will go in for about 10 minutes, as I said, before I add my dried fruit. It's really good with dried pineapple too, but I don't have any right now. All right, set to go in the oven, which is now at 350. The rack is in the middle, and here we go. So I'm going to time it for about, let's see, 12 minutes, 13, that's fine. Has been baking for just over 13 minutes. I'm going to add some dried apples that I had. I forgot about these. Dates. Again, I'm just eyeballing. Stir all that up together with my left hand. Okay, I'm gonna have to switch hands here. It smells so damn good. Woo! Love it. I'm gonna pop it back into the oven for maybe 5 or 6 minutes. I'm gonna take it out and just test how crispy the oatmeal is, and then I'll know if it's ready. Looks good. Let's have a little taste to see how crispy the oatmeal is. Let me try again. It's a little bit chewy still. I think it should go in for another minute or two. Alrighty, another taste test. I've left it in there for another couple minutes. Better. I'm thinking it's done. Yeah. Okay, time to put this on the cooling rack and let it cool down. Takes about, I don't know, half hour. And then I'm going to put it into my granola jar. There it is. Can't wait to dig in. Looks scrumptious. Good morning, Vietnam. I actually got that in Vietnam. Today's Saturday. Normally I have some kind of eggs, soft-boiled or an omelet or poached. Today I'm going to have my first mug of hot water, some cold coffee with chocolate almond milk in it for a little bit of a treat. Fruit. This is vitamin D, 1000, more than what most people think they should be taking. I've got some glucosamine, some turmeric, some vitamin B, a couple of these chewies for my, obviously, hair, skin, nails. Nuts, I'm going to add some pumpkin seeds, and these are toasted hemp seeds. Starting off, I'm going to pour about a cup my granola that I've already added a few nuts to. How many bananas are eaten a day in North America? We get the unflavored kind. Sometimes we get the vanilla one by mistake, but it's still good. I'm gonna add about, oh geez. No crying over spilled almond milk. Cereal and fruit that I put in there. I don't like to put too much milk in. I'm actually gonna go and put in a bit of hot water. Cold milky cereal. It kind of bothers my teeth. So here we go. Really good. I made a good batch. You always have to add salt because it brings out the flavor. Sweet, salty, thing that goes on. My dad told us to chew every bite 25 times. Better for your digestion. It makes it hard to talk. Oh my God, there's nothing like hot water in the morning. Don't drink too much juice. A lot of sugar in there. And sometimes I squeeze my own oranges. I haven't done that in a long time because busy, kind of lazy. A sip of my coffee. And why is it cold, you ask? I can't drink very much coffee. It kind of plays havoc with my metabolism. I had a thyroid condition, hyperthyroidism. I wasn't supposed to drink coffee during that time. I actually cured that without using any prescription drugs. I could talk about that more. But I do love coffee, so I allow myself that much in the cup, and I added another of the almond chocolate milk. And I make one pot about every 5 days, drip coffee maker that I think we got for our wedding like 37 years ago. It still works, it's a Braun. So I have that first cup, half cup hot, and then I have the rest cold because I keep the leftover coffee in a jar in my fridge. Why throw it out? You gotta be frugal, right? Not just fit and fab, frugal. Over 50. Did I mention I'm 66? What happened to being 56 or 46 or 36? I've had a long life already. All done, Mom. Yay, can I go out to play now? Oh, that was delicious. Nutritious. Two good things. All those calories and proteins, the fiber I just will keep me going until lunch. Sometimes I don't have lunch till 1:30 or 2. How can you tell I'm from Canada? I don't eat their donuts. I get a peanut butter cookie once in a while. And I bought a smile cookie, which are chocolate chip cookies with a smiley face drawn on them in icing. They are $1.50 and all proceeds go to charity. Yay. Using my unsuspecting husband. I made a funny picture, of course, with it. Yeah, I'm doing laundry right now, but you can't tell. I wait till the weekend because it's cheaper. Hydro is less expensive on the weekend, so that's another frugal thing I do. It's Ontario. The hydro rates are cheaper during the week between 7 p.m. and 7 a.m. So sometimes I do it in the evening. It's easier on the weekend, don't have to think about the time as much. Bye.